Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. And always keep in mind it's so important to have a realtor that has construction training, and that's what separates me from all the other realtors, or probably most of the realtors that have no construction training. Because let's face it, when you're buying a new construction house or even a used resale, you want somebody to help you throughout the construction process, okay? It's very easy to find a house and get the best deal and go into contract. That's pretty fast. But 6 months or a year of all of this construction, that's what's most important. Because let's face it too, it's great to get the house that you want for a good price, for a better price. But what happens if that house has defects along the way? How many hundreds or thousands of dollars is that going to cost you? So you want somebody that can help you with your home inspection reports and help you to spot stuff along the way as well. And always please do contact me first before you go to any home builder. It's so important so that you don't lose or void your paid for by the builder realtor representation. Now I'm out here at beautiful Mirada, which is really nice. It's a really beautiful area, and I love the very large pool thing, or the Lagoon as they call it, because it's super huge. It's like a huge water park pool. Now the whole San Antonio area, I also happen to like it as well. It has a very quaint feel about it. It's very countryside, and it just seems nice. It just seems very peaceful out here compared to like Orlando, Tampa, and stuff like that. So I'm over at DR Horton, and we're going to go and see the Lantana model. Now I do have the Lantana in some other videos. I think maybe at least 2, if I'm not mistaken, but because I'm getting close to like 1,000 videos, I am kind of losing track. So let's go and have a look. Now this Lantana has stone on the exterior, and hopefully you can see it. The sun's kind of on the camera viewer. It's also very windy. Maybe you can see my shirt is blowing. But it feels nice today, because today, I think today's in like the low 80s. I think it's like 82 degrees. But it feels good. Now, because this is also the sales office, I'm not going to be making a video of some of it, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so this would be the garage off to the right, which is the sales office. Let's start over here to the left, which is also sales office. But that's a bedroom, and you can see that in some other videos that I have of that model. And here we have a closet, and that's also sales office. So a lot of sales office in here. I think that's the theme. And that's your laundry room normally, and a closet. And here's your half bathroom. It's an HVAC closet. And a bedroom, and a large bedroom too, which you could see the different color packages. So depending on the series, Horton has a few series. There's the Freedom series, and the Express series, and the Tradition series. So you could check that out. You could hit pause if you want to see it. Just keep in mind that the colors are going to look a little bit different, I'm sure, based on whenever you're viewing it on, and based on how the camera translates the colors too. So always keep that in mind. Of course, that's why it's so important to always see everything in person when you can. So that's the Lagoon. You can see how huge it is. And check out my driving video of it as well. Okay, so let's continue into the kitchen. Now the homes are being built now with quartz. There are some with granite that are still available. So just keep that in mind. So anything that's very new is going to be built with nice quartz like this. And you can see this countertop is actually curved on one side. Sometimes the curve helps you sit more people around it. Okay, so let's continue into the bedroom. Here's your master bedroom. Now again, I do have other videos of this particular model. Very, very large master bedroom. So check those out. So two nice closets in this model, rather than have one large closet. And I know I'm talking about the closets while I'm making a video of the bathroom. But that's what I do, you know, because I'm looking at the viewer most of the time and I'm kind of thinking about it a little bit late. Not that videos are important, because if I was to rate everything that I do, no doubt videos are the worst. Probably the worst thing that I do in my life is videos. Just something to consider, you know, if you're rating your realtor based on videos, that's a huge mistake. You know, sometimes people pick and choose because they want that realtor, that hype realtor, that flashy realtor. That's not me. I'm the honest realtor, the honest opinion realtor. Another view of your master bedroom. And the covered lanai is fantastic too with this model. You can see how big it is. It's just a big one. This is definitely one of my favorite single-story floor plans. I like how it's spaced. Switch the camera right here. Switch the view. You can see I'm up high. So, you know, definitely a nice large room. And you know what? Let's go back to the master. So, master bedroom. You know, it's a big one. There's no doubt about it. You can see that they put a piece of furniture on each side of the bed. So you have three pieces of furniture in one room. Normally when rooms are very small, builders don't put furniture in them. Well, very little, should I say. They put furniture, but very little. They're not going to put, you know, three dressers in a small one. And the bathroom, you know, it's a good size. You know, there's plenty of room for two people to get ready and do whatever they have to do. And then, let's go this way. I'm trying to change my grip on this. Okay. So what I like about it is that you have a bedroom over here in the middle, which is so important. And I think that a bedroom in the middle is always very, very important, because if for some reason, you know, the front of the house is noisy because it's a street and it's hard to sleep on, for somebody that's a lighter sleeper, they can go off to the middle, you know, plus the master bedroom is in back. So if you don't have any rear neighbors, you know, that's a great thing about that. But if you have neighbors in the rear, you know, that could change things a little bit. The bedroom's over here to the front right. That's nice too, because there's one that's a little bit pushed back, aside from the one that's all the way in the front. So I gotta go around now to go to see another very famous model called the Cali. I'm so excited because I've never seen a Cali. You know, don't tell anyone. I'm playing musical doors, trying to escape. Trying to escape to go see the Cali. Okay, so let's go see the Cali over here. I'm Noto, Florida, licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. Let's go here, remember it's so important to have a realtor with construction training on your side. But that's what it's all about throughout the process. Construction, well-built homes, resale homes that don't have defects or very few defects. You want as many people on your side helping you spot stuff like that. So if your realtor doesn't have construction training, you're at a disadvantage. So let's go inside and see this Cali. Pretty excited. I hear this one comes with granite. I mean, quartz. It doesn't come with granite. Okay, so we are inside yet another Cali. Got the closet over here to the right. And again, I'm going to move a little bit quicker, and that's really just because I have so many videos of this Cali. And it's a great home. You know, when I joke about it, I'm not saying it's not a great home. I do like it. For the square footage, it's very cost effective. You know, that's something that I've always thought about it. Very cost effective. Actually, I'm going to stop here at this closet. I wasn't going to, but yeah, that's what I thought. It's a small closet. Then you have another closet here. And your garage. See, what's nice about the garage is you can see there's a lot of extra space next to the door. You can see all that paint that's stacked over there. And of course your hot water heater's outside. And your laundry room. HVAC closet. And this room I always like because this is a nice larger room. You know, this is the kind of room that I feel like I would turn it into like a small home theater room or a game room or something like that. Although if I needed a room that was a little bit quieter to sleep in, more towards the middle of the house, you know, this could be it for sure. All right, so you'll notice that right away we've seen now 3 bedrooms, and then we step in here where it feels very spacious, and again you can see the quartz. And the pantry is pretty standard as well. It's a good size. Actually, it's probably larger than standard. Look at all that space. When I say standard, I'm kind of talking about like, you know, the normal size for a pantry that's shaped like that. Yeah, and the Cali also gives you this covered patio, which for a lot of people that's going to be perfectly fine. A few chairs, they can barbecue, do whatever they want. And here we got a bedroom, which is the master bedroom, and it's a good size, you know, good size, especially for the square footage. I mean, it's shy of 1,900 square feet. So you're getting 4 rooms. Master bathroom. So here's one closet in the master bathroom. And this closet's like the size of a bedroom closet, and you actually step into it. There's a toilet in the closet, and then you have this closet as well. So a good sized master bedroom closet, you know, especially because you have 2 of them. So I'm gonna do the closet cam. You can see my arms are extended. So you might be, I don't know, this might be 10 feet this way. But, you know, definitely a good sized closet because you have 2 of them. So the bathroom is perfectly fine. Bedroom, they put 3 pieces of furniture in here, so you can see it's not exactly a small bedroom by any means. And I always like this about the Cali is that the living room, probably the TV room, you got 3 walls to work with. You got this wall, and that wall to work with. So you could set up a nice little surround sound setup over there. Kitchen, there's some good width between the stove, the oven, and the sink. Yep, and another video of the Cali. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go back out now into the construction. It's a beautiful day today. It's like 83 degrees or so, but feels nice. It's windy too. Feels kind of good. You know, I tend to like it when it's warm around. So for me, this is like ideal weather right here. Not really into the 50 degrees sort of weather. When it starts falling below 65, I start feeling it. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. Thanks again.